Hi guys, postman's bin, 2 packages, quite small. This one says clip TY005x5. So one assumes that's 5 clips of some sort. Let's have a look. Clips. Okay, those are Tamiya battery plugs. So I want to make up some adapters to go from them to, what are they, XT60s and Deans, just to make up a few adapter plugs for when I'm doing various conversions. The hovercraft I've got has got Tamiya, and I want to use LiPo batteries on it, so I have to make up an adapter for that. So that's what they're for. Right, this one. Right, yes. Can't read what that is. Feels like it might be very similar. Oh yes. Talking of Dean's connectors, that's what we've got there. Do you go that way around? Or that way around? That way around. Oh no. It's got to be that way around. Yeah, that way around. That makes more sense, doesn't it? Well, they're to go together. Right, just another quickie while we're on the subject of post bags. You might remember in the previous post bag I've got these 1/4 thread bolts, screws. I just thought I'd show you one place where I've used them. What we have here is my Maisto Extreme Beast, which I want to use as a dash cam in my car. Put it in the dashboard with a camera, so it looked like you're actually driving the Extreme Beast on the road. So I had to make up a bracket, or make up a plate for it to sit on, with a camera bracket on the back here to hold the camera steady, and that is using one of those bolts. So that's my first use of one of those bolts. That's carpet on the bottom there to stop it damaging my dashboard, and that just sits on top. Where I'd have liked to have used it would have been on my hat camera, but I had to take apart one of my other brackets just so I could take the bolt out of it. So I should be able to put that one back where I got it from and replace it with one of them. So there you go, that was an update on a previous post bag. There we go, a bit of soldering later, and we've got a Dean's adapter, so I can plug it into the hovercraft, and is it an XT60 adapter. That's a 3S and that's a 2S. I'm a bit worried about using a 3S because that's over voltage compared to what it's expecting. It does work with the 2S, so we'll give it a little try just to demonstrate. So that's the 2S. just briefly with the 3S. Yeah, we get the idea.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.